So it's birthday time again. This time we're celebrating my 5-year-old's birthday. Oh my gosh, she's 5, y'all. The theme, of course, is Bluey. So I had to get this this whole entire outfit last minute from Target right before they closed. And I just knew everybody had the same idea I had. So I was like, you know what? This t-shirt is probably going to be on everybody, on their grandpa, on their mama. And I ain't trying to look like everybody else. So I was like, let me go ahead and make this cute, make it my own, rip it up or something like that. Make sure it's not too revealing because this is a little kid's party. But, you know, mama's got to be cute too. They got to know where their child get it from. So I was like, okay, let me make a little V-cut. Fold the collar back so it's like, you know, a little seamless, things like that. And then, you know, I made into like a cute little crop top moment. And these pants, y'all, so comfortable. Oh my gosh, it's super duper comfortable. I got to do everything, drop it down low, do it all the way to the floor in these. And I did find these in the teen section though, y'all. I was like, I think I can fit these, but yeah. And then I found this cute headband on clearance. And I was like, okay, this is giving a moment. It's giving a moment. No, I had to do my edges. And y'all, I rarely wear makeup, but I was like, today, you know, I'm going to put on a cute little lip. A little lip turned into some foundation. It turned into some concealer. It turned into some eyebrows. And like 30 minutes later. But I tried to hurry it up because I was doing all of this last minute. I got kids banging on the door saying they hungry. I got the husband looking at me like, you said 11 o'clock. I'm just like, you know, I'm just one lady. I'm just like a one-woman show. It's hard when everybody kind of depend on you to like go which direction. And I'm just like, listen. Mama got to look cute too, like the birthday girl. Anyway, did it come out cute, y'all? I had my J's on today. I really wear those. But until next time, bye.